Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move your desktop folder out of OneDrive on Windows. This is useful if you want to stop syncing your desktop files to the cloud or if you're running low on OneDrive storage space. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft OneDrive app on your PC. Look down at your system tray, which is the area in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock, and click on the OneDrive icon. This icon usually looks like a white or blue cloud. Clicking it will bring up the OneDrive menu and prepare the app for the changes you're about to make. Now, give it a moment to initialize and fully open. OneDrive needs a few seconds to load completely before you can proceed with moving your desktop folder. While you're waiting, the app is connecting to your account and preparing all the necessary settings in the background. Once OneDrive is ready, it's time to move your desktop folder out of OneDrive. Start by opening File Explorer on your PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. File Explorer is where you manage all your folders and files, and it's the tool you'll use to change where your desktop folder is stored. After File Explorer opens, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of folders and locations, including Quick Access, this PC, and importantly, your desktop icon. Right-click on the desktop icon to bring up a context menu. This menu contains several useful options for managing your desktop folder. From the list of options that appears, click on Properties. This will open a new window called Desktop Properties, which contains all the settings and information about your desktop folder. This is where you can control the physical location of your desktop files on your computer. Within this Properties window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Location tab to access the folder path settings. This tab is specifically designed to let you change where Windows stores your desktop files. You'll notice that the current location is within the OneDrive path, which means your desktop is currently being synced to the cloud. This is exactly what we want to change. Now, click on the Restore Default button. This is the key step that moves your desktop folder out of OneDrive and back to its original location on your local hard drive. By restoring the default path, you're telling Windows to store your desktop files locally instead of in the OneDrive folder. This means your desktop files will no longer sync to the cloud, freeing up OneDrive storage and giving you more control over what gets synced. And that's it. You've successfully moved your desktop folder out of OneDrive, and your desktop files are now stored locally on your computer instead of in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.